Hi, I'm Chuck Saldi from Saugus, Mass. I'm having Addario's install a mini split in my garage today. It's all done in one day, and I'll now have heat for my Mustang collection inside the garage. The installation has been very smooth, very clean, no snags, started early, gonna finish in one day just like I was told it would be done. I can now work on the cars and not freeze to death all winter. I absolutely would recommend Addario's at any time for many services. I have a new bathroom, a new air conditioner, a new heating system, all done by Addario's, and very satisfied with all the work and how they took care of my home. Hey Steve, how about this Mustang? Hi Joe, hi Steve. It was good doing business with you again.